Do your flowers drop or fail to set when temperatures fall and humidity rises? It's not a coincidence. Under these conditions, pollination becomes inefficient and the crop loses a significant part of its productive potential. When temperature drops, the plant's metabolic activity slows down, and when humidity is high, pollen loses its ability to disperse properly. The result is poor pollination and irregular fruit set. Under high humidity conditions, pollen clumps together and is not properly released from the anther. In addition, the stigma may remain wet, making pollen germination more difficult. On top of this, low temperatures reduce pollen viability and slow down the growth of the pollen tube. As a result, fertilization may arrive too late or may not occur at all. Under these conditions, another important effect also takes place. The young ovary loses its sync strength and the plant's hormonal balance shifts. Signals associated with fruit set, such as auxins and gibberellins, decrease, while the probability of abscission increases. That is why we observe very clear symptoms in the crop. Some typical signs are flowers dropping without setting, irregular clusters or inflorescences, deformed or empty fruits, crops showing low activity with high condensation in the early morning. First, it is essential to act on crop management. Reduce humidity through early ventilation. Avoid condensation during the first hours of the day. Maintain adequate minimum temperatures during flowering. Promote air movement to improve pollination. But beyond climate management, plant nutrition plays a key role in improving pollen quality, enhancing fruit set, and reducing losses during flowering. The combination of technologies from ecoculture biosciences helps the plant maintain its reproductive capacity even under adverse conditions. Rainbow Wave helps regulate vegetative growth and redirects photoassimilates toward flowering, promoting higher flower fertility and better physiological balance during fruit set. Calflux provides highly available calcium, which is essential for pollen viability, pollen tube germination, and proper development of reproductive tissues. And excess stress acts as a key tool to mitigate environmental stress caused by low temperatures and high humidity, helping to maintain the plant's metabolic activity during flowering. When the plant maintains a proper physiological balance, pollen is more viable, fertilization is more efficient, and fruit set is more uniform. The result is clear: less flower abortion, more fruits, and higher final production. Because successful fruit set does not depend only on climate, it also depends on how we help the plant overcome stress and express its full productive potential.